Okay, here what we're doing is, I've always had a problem with my USB headset microphone being too low in volume. So I found we change the volume here on Linux Mint. So we go to your terminal and type in this pavucontrol, and you get this pop-up window over here. If you go over to input devices, you'll see that this is my microphone right now, and I can raise, by default it's 100%, but you can raise it up to 150%, 153% in fact. That made all the difference in my video recordings. I no longer have to go into the video edit and amplify the volume, which brings up more noise levels. So if you're looking for your gain control for your microphone, here's where it is. And this one up here, the monitor, that just means that's what you can send back to your headset if you want to do that. And then HDMI is my normal audio out through my HDMI TV player, which acts as a monitor for the computer. So if you don't have this PulseAudio volume control right up here, this command will install it. Then this command right here is what actually runs it. And if you want to upgrade your PulseAudio, sudo apt-get update, sudo apt-get upgrade PulseAudio. And this one here, last but not least, this shows all the media on your computer. If I copy that and send it to my terminal, it's going to go down and list all your audio devices. Takes a few seconds. Shortly will populate. Now it has all my audio devices. And my first one is the NVIDIA HDMI audio NVIDIA device in my video controller. The next device here is this plugged in USB audio headset. And the third device is the actual motherboard audio device, which is on the motherboard by default. So you should be able to see at least two of these, your headset and your motherboard. And then if you have any other additional GPUs, you should see them here also. So that's what this command is for. So hopefully this information helps you resolve the issue of having a low microphone volume when you're trying to create videos.